friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, today is the good news for Huawei Mate 10 Pro users. Android Oreo 8.1 is released for these users. Friends, if you want to get real feel of Oreo 8.1, then you have to follow this procedure. Before installing this ROM, we need to enable 3 steps. Enable developer option, unlock bootloader, and the third one, install TWRP. Let us our device boot into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button simultaneously. Then we have to take a complete backup before we flash custom ROM. Select backup. We have to choose boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting this, swipe right to confirm. Press on back. By wiping this temporary data, it will allow to cleanly install to this custom ROM. Select wipe, select advanced wipe, select Dolby system, data, swipe right to confirm. We need to go to here to install stock ROM. By pressing back, here you may find install. Select Oreo 8.1. Friends, here I have provided latest version of custom ROM and GApps which are suitable to your device. Please find in below description and you may download it. After selecting this Oreo 8.1 ROM, swipe right to install. Click on back. Select the GApps. After selecting this, swipe right to install. Before we proceed to reboot our system, we need to wipe temporary data. Select the wipe and swipe right to wipe data. After finishing all steps, we need to reboot our system. Press on reboot system. Friends, here it will take 2 to 3 minutes to reboot your device successfully. And let I will show cool features are given in Oreo 8.1.
वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ बेल आइकन को दबाना भी मत भूलना। इससे आप लोग किसी भी नई वीडियो को मिस नहीं करेंगे।
For a second, now let me explain. See, I'm not trying to take you down, I'm trying to take away pain. Try my best to refrain from being the same as all these other lowlifes that probably don't remember your name. And all your exes sitting left, I'm trying to home run. Trying to make you happy, make a difference in the long run. So trust me when I say I'm swollen shut. I'm spilling out my heart because you opened up and now I'm going dumb when we touch. Yeah, I'm not saying that we're picture perfect, but I'm saying that we fit proportion. I'm showing you that we're more than love because of lust, not hidden behind the curtain. I'm telling all the facts, don't ask me because I'm certain. It's certain we both come from hurt places, but you don't have to tell yourself that that's the reason why we're in relation. I'm just trying to see a smile on your face and make this chapter permanent, no need to change your pages. Time I see a smile on your face. You always say I'm changing, but I only change the pace. You're following your dreams, and I know I do the same. But see, lately you're the only thing I'm needing that I chase. And I hate the fact that you only listen to what they say. I've never been the type to listen, now they hit the replay. It's funny how these things happen, never had a delay. Cause everything I'm seeing comes to life and I don't see fake. I only see the real in you, probably why I fell in. I'm writing all these letters, you would think that I'm a felon. I'm going crazy, always buying what you're selling. And yeah, I know I'm stubborn, I hear nothing like I'm Helen. But once I make it, you'll have everything you want. I'll put you at the top when I get on. Yeah, I just wanna put the queen of buddies' pawns and carry out the story when you're gone.